Hello and welcome to part 2 of making the Tardis tutorial, the Tardis doors. This is a tutorial in 3ds Max for the creation of a Tardis. Basically a quick note, because we turned this Tardis door into a editable poly, we lose the fact that we can animate the door. So if we scrub this across, we haven't got it anymore. So what you want to do is you can quickly, unless you decided not to delete the keyframes like I did on the last video, you can just go back into doors, pivot, and just you can make a new one. You know, follow the same parameters. 4.6. Just basically remember not to remember to animate it before you convert it to a editable poly. So just remember to animate it before you do that. Otherwise, you'll lose that control. Unless you need the door, you need these options consistently. Don't convert it to an editable poly. But yeah, that's a downfall to the whole situation. There probably is a way around it. I'll find a way. But yeah, that's just a quick note on that. I'll delete that. We've still got some good work here anyway. There still is hope for animating the doors. You could select all of this, all of these. Yeah, you can still animate that door. Select rotate. So you've still got, you just put the let's go back. You put the affect the pivot, press W. You put it in the corner of the door, and then you'll click off it again. And now when you rotate it, I didn't click on the there. So what you'd do is you'd have to make the doors a separate entity. So you click, and then you click on detach, which is in as well geometry. Click detach, call it door right. Actually it'd be door left to the door's perspective, so door left. And we've detached that. And then we click off this, click on the door. We now have a door that is independent. And you can animate it still. So there you go, that's how you'd still animate your door. Just make sure you put the pivot point here, exactly here. And yeah, that bit's done. But for now, I'm gonna click attach. I'm gonna attach all this together. Rename it Tardis doors. So that's how you just do what I did for the other door, obviously on the other side, same steps. I might do that on another tutorial, but for now I just wanted to reassure you that there is a way around that accident I did on the last tutorial. So here we go, let's put, so we've got this bit looking nice. We need to make this block intersect with this bit here. So if we click on the compound objects, Boolean, union, and then if we pick operand B, which is it's gelling, the thing it wants to gel with basically, And basically what I just did there is we made it kind of stick together neatly, you know. So now they're the same entity. So if we click on, well, it's got Boolean now. It's called police sign front. We'll call this front door. Let's call it front door. And we need to right click and edit or poly, and then if we click on it we see that they're both stuck together, and when we render they look quite nice around the they've now been cut together, so it's all looking good. That's the correct way to do it anyway, in my opinion. And now what we can do is, now we've got these like this, is we can click on angle snaps and we can hold shift and then we'll pull around so it says 90 degrees there, and we let go, and we'll make 3 copies, and we won't make it an instance, we'll just press OK, and then we click on select and move and just drag them in place. So we've got one more there, but we need to make sure all these are in place properly. We're not just going to dump them there. We need to rotate this one 180 degrees, so it says 180 there, and then we're going to try and make the sign. See the sign there? See how it pokes out? Should match. Actually what we'll do is we'll delete this door on this side, and we will press E on the keyboard, hold shift and rotate 180 degrees, and then we'll make a copy, press W, and we'll just match it again. We've got to make sure this is accurate. We could do it like do it how you feel, you know, follow your heart and all that. Do that. Let's just render it, see how it doesn't look too bad actually. Yeah, let's have it poking out a little. Yeah, it might look better if it's poking out. And then, yeah, that's looking good. And then obviously we need to do the front door, top door. So we just have a visual reference here. It's poking out, you know, just eyeball it. You can see how much it's poking out there, and then we just need to repeat that. And so basically this line here should be flush with this line, and let's move this front image plane back a little, and this one back a little, and that's your doors done. The tutorial is almost getting there. That's the doors done. I hope this has actually been a real help to you. I hope it ends well for you in the for your assignment. This is for the Bobbert who requested it. So it's coming along pretty good. It's the first time I've ever modelled a Tardis. And what we'll do in the next tutorial is we're going to look at maybe looking at the quality of the doors. Is everything looking right in the dimensions? It's not looking too bad, to be honest. This corner bit's a bit worrying. I hope this is right. It's okay. So do a few little test renders. Let's have a look. That's sticking out like that. Sticking out like that. That's fine. You can adjust this how you want. This is literally just an idea for you. You might want to add the wire to the top. Just so you can see, the progress, how much progress you've made in these last few tutorials. Add it to the bottom. And even getting this far with the model is quite an achievement. You see now it's actually a Tardis. We've got to just put the thing on the top. What I'll do is this bit's a bit too high, but it doesn't really matter. We can bring it down. On the next tutorial we'll look at putting this lantern on top and raising this bit down a little, and we'll merge them together. So thank you for watching. Sorry about the delay in the tutorials, and I'll see you